Hello, and welcome to the AT and UDL Loan Library Tips and Tricks. My name is Sam Genty, one of the training support specialists in the Hollywood Library Distribution Center. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth mouse or trackpad to your iPad OS device. But before we begin, connecting a Bluetooth mouse or trackpad to your iPad requires iPad OS 13.4 or later and the following supported iPad models: iPad Pro, all models, iPad 5th generation or later, iPad Air 2 or later, and iPad Mini 4 or later. Open the Settings app on your iPad. Tap Bluetooth. If your Bluetooth isn't already enabled, tap the toggle switch to turn it on. Turn on your Bluetooth mouse or trackpad and place it near your iPad. Make sure your accessory is in pairing or discovery mode. Look under Other Devices for your Bluetooth accessory, then tap its name to pair it with your iPad. Please note, depending on the accessory you're connecting, you might need to take extra steps. Follow any on-screen instructions that appear. If you are pairing the Apple Magic Mouse or Magic Trackpad and you're asked to provide a code, use 0000. On behalf of the AT and UDL Technology and Learning Connections team, we want to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye out on our website for additional videos and support.